Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. It's a situation landlords hope they will never experience. Their commercial tenant has stopped paying rent and they need to take action to mitigate the damage to their net income. Unfortunately for landlords, you can't just issue an eviction notice, minimise your losses and move on. If a tenant has breached the lease, the landlord must follow a specific procedure before the tenant can be evicted from the property. This procedure will vary slightly depending upon the state or territory in which the property is located and the terms of your lease. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to take steps to exercise your right of forfeiture or re-entry, the general procedure is as follows. Step 1. Identify the breach. In what way has the tenant breached the lease or legislation? A breach can be financial or non-financial. For example, the tenant may not have paid rent or failed to keep the premises in a certain state of repair. Step 2. Give the tenant written notice to remedy the breach. The notice must follow particular rules, and you can view our article to see exactly what they are. Links are in the information below. If the tenant does not remedy the breach in the allotted time, the landlord can terminate the lease. The notice must be correct, both factually and in form and content, to avoid a litigation battle. If the notice is invalid, the lessor may have to reissue new notices and start proceedings anew. If you're a commercial landlord and would like to learn more about terminating a lease for non-payment of rent or other breach, you can check out our article in the links below.